Hi there, Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today's card is a fun shaker card, and to that end I have a panel here which I know looks like a peculiar shape, and I have a corresponding acetate piece cut out. Now do be very careful when you're making this, if you make it, that you put it round the right way, because it's not one of those cards that you can put in the other direction. So I've put double-sided tape, a very thin double-sided tape, around the inner hole here. I'm just going to remove the backing. And then this is going to line up. Now it is very, very slightly offset. So you want to make sure that you get it in the right spot. So the next two pieces are actually the same. And you simply want to glue one onto the other. And you may or may not be able to see that I have score lines in it as well. So basically I've scored where it needs to go, and that is my sentiment. I've got a little bit of weeding to do, and now I have the little baby. You can go over it with different pens, you could go over it with glitter and all sorts of things. It's up to you. But this particular one is theoretically for a girl. Although why it should be pink for a girl and blue for a boy, I have not the faintest idea. So this is going to be placed on here with the various shaker elements behind it. So all I need to do is to decide what shaker bits I'm going to use. So this is the finished card. I've just put it onto a card base. So I think this has worked out really nicely. I like the fact that the frame is like all in one, and we just have the baby on there as well. And then I have some other things. I have some stars which are in different colours, and I have some very tiny little dots. Now I like to use nail art things for shaker cards, and let me just show you what I mean. I have a couple of sets of these. These are the little dots in various colours, and these are really, really pretty stars, lovely colours. Because they are meant for nails, they are very small, and therefore they're ideal for doing a shaker card where you don't have an awful lot of bulk. Now this card is only 200 GSM. So there is very little bulk in that shaker, as you can see there. So that's it. A fun new baby card. Doesn't take too long to put together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.